Hey, it's Mr. B here. I'm excited that this is season 5, that I've renewed myself for another season. So this is season 5, episode 1. Today we're going to talk about the Ryobi P591 18-volt, 18-gauge offset shears for metal work. And the reason that I actually bought this tool is I want to give a huge shout out to the Pathway School STEM program and to our robotics team 9027, Path to Domination. We now have our robotics team up and running. We're the rookies this year. We've got a lot of work to do and a lot of learning to do. And I'm glad that the Pathway School is behind us all the way with this. Just a little background, Pathway is a nonprofit, private special education school serving students ages 5 to 21. And more than 50 regional school districts refer students with special needs to Pathway. So this P591 is our first tool that I actually purchased so we can start building our robot for the competitions that are coming up. And I'd like to thank everybody that has supported us. If you'd like to donate or help sponsor our team, please contact pathwayschool.org. You can look them up and you go from there. At the end of this video, I'll show address if you'd like to donate or support our team. This is a neat little unit, offset shear. The button right here that actually is the lock. And the head rotates. If you use the switch in here and push down, you can rotate the head so you can cut in different angles. The other thing that you can do, it's preset for 18-gauge sheet metal. It comes its own wrench, and there's an adjustment here in the front that you can adjust the opening for the shears. So in the actual manual, it tells you how you can actually set that. The one thing that you're going to need for that is you're going to need a feeler gauge that doesn't come with the unit to actually set up the depth of the actual cut if you're going to use anything other than the preset. It's an amazing little tool. I'm going to learn how to use this, and then I'm going to teach the students how to actually use it. Always when you're working with any kind of metals or anything, you want to have a good pair of leather gloves. And on that, I'd like to say thank you to my grandson Isaac for thinking about me and the safety in the shop last Christmas and giving me safety gloves, safety glasses, and hearing protection. So we're actually just going to give this a quick try on a piece of scrap that I have sitting here. Put our safety glasses on. Put our shears on. Cut through our sheet metal. So this is actually in the form that we're going to use. We're going to be able to form our different parts and everything else for a robot in the engineering and woodworking shop. So always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. See you in the shop.